Omar, nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
You've tested the 3D microscope from ZUMAX here, and what's your impression?
Well, it's quite the innovation really, because one thing with the microscope, as a microscope user, you have to fix your head in a way and stay in a fixed position.
And here you can move, huh?
You can move freely. It's like, it gives you the flexibility of the loops and the power of magnification of the microscope. And it frees your eyes and your head to move anywhere you want. So, and it has three viewing options. The 3D one is really cool. So
how about the quality of the image? Is it clear to you, the image?
Very clear. And also it's a 3D on the screen.
Like an optical microscope, or is it the same quality?
Same quality.
Okay. Will you buy one?
Well, I have to test it more on a patient, but I like the idea. I hope it really becomes more used in more even microscopes.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.